Basically, to answer the question, why RSPs? It just makes sense. The example we're going to use for now is an average $90,000 salary, which will get you in British Columbia here a tax rate of roughly 30%. We're using a simple round number just for illustration purposes. That means for every dollar I earn above 90,000, I'm paying above about 30%. Once I get to the next bracket, I might end up closer to 40%. And so the benefits are even greater for me the higher my income goes. What's going to happen in retirement? I'm probably making half of this much, and I might be in a 20% tax bracket. That's when I'll pull out the money. So now the question is, what is the benefit for me? Well, immediately, I actually have to give up some money that's in my checking account. So let's assume I have $10,000 just sitting there right there in my checking account. I could have a really nice party, have a vacation, go spend the money, but instead I do the responsible thing and add the money into my RSP account. Take it out of my checking account. At the end of the day, at my tax bracket of 30%, I will end up with a tax reduction of $3,000 for me. Now I say reduction, some people say refund. If I owed zero tax, I would get a refund of $3,000. If I owed about $5,000 in tax, well, that bill would be reduced down to $2,000. If I had a $2,000 refund, and this would boost my refund to $5,000. So you get the picture. The reduction in tax owing is my 30% of my contribution. And that's where my immediate benefit comes in. I did give up a lot, but that money's socked away. It's a forced savings. Let it grow. Depending on the investment vehicle I do use. But what we're going to look at is before I had $10,000 in my checking account, nothing in my RSP. My net worth is $10,000. It's fine. But then what I'm going to do is actually transfer that money. It's called a contribution from my checking account into the RSP account. And then I will file my taxes, and a few weeks later, I'll probably end up with that refund. So now, there's our after. Our checking account, after the tax refund comes in, is $3,000 richer, and I still have the full $10,000 in my RSP. So what that tells me is my net worth has gone up by 30% from $10,000 to $13,000. I can still go use that $3,000 for that vacation I wanted. We're still in a pandemic, so don't know if I can go anywhere yet. However, I could just save it for a rainy day or splurge on my favorite sports memorabilia or something, or even move it to my tax-free savings. But you want to spend some of your money. You can't, otherwise you'll just go crazy sitting at home doing nothing. So now we've seen our boost to our net worth happen. I have to then think about where I want to invest. We've covered that in other videos. So if you've subscribed to the channel, you'll have watched those videos. We've got some ideas. You can pick your favorite ETFs, stocks, mutual funds, bonds, whatever vehicle you choose. Lots of options out there, but I would say do your homework or go get your financial institution to help you pick and choose a plan that's right for you, and then you can build on it and repeat the process every year. So once again, thank you very much. Please hit that like button if you liked our content, and subscribe so we can bring more content to you in the future. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.